Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm all set up. I got to carve a mess of pumpkins. I'm going to be using the Steel MS-250. All we're going to be doing is blocking them out and getting them ready for sanding, but I got a lot to do. So I'm going to kick the camera on high speed and I'm going to just start making some sawdust. So if you guys are just starting to carve, guess what? It's pumpkin season and you better get carving. Let's go. Carved up like 25 pumpkins. Took me a couple hours. It's time to bust out the Saburrtooth bits, the die grinders, the angle grinder, and we'll start cleaning them up. We gotta smooth out these lines and round all these edges and, you know, add some details to the stem, make them look like pumpkins. So make sure you guys don't go anywhere. I'm gonna kick this thing right back in high speed in just a minute and get started on that. But first, be sure to check out the links down below in the description. You guys can follow me through social media there. You can also purchase some of my work through the Etsy store. You can buy some of my merch through the Teespring account, and all that stuff is appreciated. Also, the tools that I can share, I will share Amazon links to for those of you who are just learning to carve. I want to say thanks for watching, guys. Don't go anywhere. We're going to start finishing these pumpkins up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. So I will have a shot of those finished pumpkins at the very end, but I just wanted to say I'm going to be doing a new tutorial video. We did a survey on the community section of my YouTube channel, and the majority of you said, yes, please, let's do a new tutorial on how to carve pumpkins. So I'm going to be working on that this weekend. As soon as it's done, I'll get it uploaded. And if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss out. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all. You'll be alerted to that video and any future videos that I upload. And you know, it's always nice to have followers, so I really do appreciate that. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing my work, you can follow the links down below. Hit that arrow. It'll drop a box. There's all the links. I got an Etsy account. That's my store. And as soon as I get a chance, I'll get some of these pumpkins up there if there's something you guys are interested in, or some bears, and just, you got to go there and check it out. I got a bunch of stuff already. So be sure to check out those links. Again, I thank you guys for watching, and check out these pumpkins.